Hello, my name is Justin Vasquez and I'm from Chattanooga, Tennessee. I received funding from OneUp Trader on 5/24/2022, and it took me approximately 4 days to finish the $150,000 challenge. And with their ruling, I did have to do another 11 days of trading to fully complete the 15 minimum, but the overall profit goal was reached in 4 days. I did the $150,000 account, and I chose this account because I specifically wanted to have a little bit bigger of a trailing drawdown. On some of the smaller accounts that I've tried with other firms, it's just too close for my trading style. So I chose the 150 it's the biggest bang for your buck in my opinion, but it also gave me the biggest and the most wiggle room to have a couple trades go against me. My trading approach can be defined as a scalper. Cool thing with OneUp Trader is one of the things they do is give you your analytics at the end of every day after they update. And my average time per trade was anywhere from 30 to 52 seconds at the most. So I am a scalper by heart and by nature. It's just my comfort level. I was drawn to OneUp Trader, A, because of pricing, B, customer service was out of this world. They were there 24/7 through holidays answering all of my what I would call annoying questions just to make sure that I was fully comfortable with the process and while I was going through the process. And the trailing stop, that was awesome. So once I was able to get above the initial trailing stop, the trailing stop stops literally. So you don't have to worry about it keep chasing you up as you go down. So it gives you that little extra wiggle room if you have a bad day in the market to where it's not going to stop you out and then have to collect more money from you. I've actually already referred OneUp Trader to 2 or 3 of my trading friends that are all trying to get into the prop trading. So yes, OneUp Trader is a phenomenal company and I can't even see myself using anybody else here in the future. Speaks for itself. When they say customer support team, they literally mean customer support team. 24/7, no questions asked. If you want to have a question at 1 in the morning during Globex, get on and within usually 60 seconds there's someone responding to you. So I appreciate that a lot. Yes, I finished up my trading. My 15th day was Sunday at 6:01. And at 6:01 and 15 seconds, I texted in and said, hey, I completed my 15 days. They verified my account and I did, and they sent it over for approval. Not after that, it was about 24 to 48 hours. I ended up getting my full funded account, no questions asked, signed a contract, and I had my logins and I'm still trading it to this date. No, there wasn't any hidden fees. There are a couple fees with Ninja Trader. You have to get a license and stuff like that because that's not provided to you. But the key phrase was hidden. Everything is 100% transparent. So you know what to expect once you get that funded account. And they reiterate it during your contract that you get from the funding team of everything that you are responsible for now as a funded trader. I lucked out and didn't receive any warnings. I'm pretty much a rule follower, so I was pretty strict with my own trading rules on top of that. But no, I wasn't aware of anything of that sort. Yes, I can't even count on 2 hands how many different prop firms I've attempted to try. So I do really appreciate their ease of this, and just the biggest thing for me is just the laxity in the rules to allow a little bit of grace period. And OneUp to me is a company that's not just looking to make money off of attempts. They actually want you to become a fully funded trader. So I belong to a group. They have a bunch of indicators and stuff through Sierra charts. So I use them. I look at delta and I look at support and resistance and momentum, and that's pretty much how I pick my entries. And for me, I'm a 4 or 5 contract on ES/NQ. And when I say 30 to 45 seconds, that's exactly what I do. I'm in and out. I want to scalp 3, 4, 5 points on NQ, 10, 12, 15 points and be done. So my stop is constantly in my mouse and my hand, just moving up to ensure that I can lock in profit as soon as possible. I am a scalper. I am in and out within seconds. I want to lock in profit. I use the old motto, never let a green trade go red, and I truly follow that to the T. As soon as I'm up half a point, I'm at break even. I might take a little bit of red because of contract price, but I'm okay with that because my next one might go up 5, 6, 7 points and I can lock in. I want to give myself a little bit of a buffer. So personally, I'm giving myself a $10,000 buffer. Once I get to 10,000 over, so once my account grows to 160,000, then I will start taking withdrawals, but I'll never take a withdrawal under that 10,000. Trailing stop on that account stops at 150,000 because it's bound to have a red day. And I want to make sure that I have plenty of grace in my stops to make sure that I don't blow the account up and have to go through the process again. The cool thing with being a scalper is you don't really have to have so much of a routine. You don't have to look for divergences. You don't have to look at 30-minute charts. You don't have to look at any of that. I look at a 512 tick chart and I trade. I literally trade what the chart tells me. I don't care what's going on in this world. I don't trade through news, too volatile, not worth the risk when you're with a prop firm. But yeah, for the most part, it's just get up and trade what the chart tells me and block out all the outside noise. Yes, because a lot of us start with smaller accounts, which is harder because there's not a lot of leeway and we're constantly looking to figure out how to grow an account. And with OneUp Trader, it just gives you that financial flexibility to be able to be a little more generous or aggressive, however you want to phrase it, to be able to do that. And you're not constantly looking at your P&L. It's like you trade what's given, you stay within your contracts, you get in, you get out, and you move on. And OneUp Trader just allows that opportunity for you. Take your time, stay disciplined. If you have 2 or 3 red trades go against you, step away from the computer, go out for a walk, drink coffee, whatever it is that you do, come back, sit down, and look at what the chart's telling you. I just want to say I can't stress this enough. I've been with multiple firms and I've always failed. OneUp Trader, they are there every step of the way. So just stay diligent, give OneUp Trader an opportunity, grow your account slowly, hit your minimum, and you won't be disappointed once you get your funded account. Have a great day.